Hi friends, welcome to my channel Mookambika Nursing. Friends, in this video we can see some anatomical values, that is the points from anatomy section, different body parts and its length we can see here. This is the video number 65 of important point section. We can see the point. First point, the length of pharynx is 12 to 14 centimeter. And the next point, length of larynx is 4.4 centimeter in male and 3.6 centimeter in female. So in male 4.4 centimeter and in female it is 3.6 centimeter. And the next point, length of trachea. Length of trachea is 10 to 11 centimeter. And the next point, length of small intestine, it is 5 to 6 meters, length of small intestine. And the next point, length of large intestine, it is 1.5 meters, length of large intestine. And the next point, length of duodenum, it is 25 centimeter, length of duodenum. And the next point, length of esophagus is also 25 centimeter. Length of duodenum is 25 centimeter and length of esophagus is also 25 centimeter. And the next point, length of ureter is also 25 centimeter, length of ureter. And the next point, length of vas deferens is 45 centimeter. And the next point, length of spinal cord is also 45 centimeter. And the next point, length of femur is also 45 centimeter. Vas deferens, spinal cord and femur all 45 centimeter. And the next point, length of inguinal canal is 4 centimeter. Length of inguinal canal is 4 centimeter. And the length of female urethra is 4 centimeter. And the length of thalamus is 4 centimeter. And the length of optic nerve is also 4 centimeter. So the length of inguinal canal is 4 centimeter, female urethra is 4 centimeter, thalamus is also 4 centimeter and optic nerve is 4 centimeter. And the next point, length of portal vein is 8 centimeter and the length of parotid duct is 5 centimeter. And the next point, length of submandibular duct is also 5 centimeter. And the next point, length of appendix is 8 to 9 centimeter. And the next point, length of medulla oblongata is 2.5 centimeter, length of medulla oblongata. And the next point, length of gallbladder is 7.5 to 10 centimeter, length of gallbladder. And the next point, length of common bile duct is 7.5 centimeter. And the length of mature spermatozoon is 50 to 60 microns. 50 to 60 micron is the length of mature spermatozoa. And the length of fallopian tube is 10 to 12 centimeter. And the next point, a length of anal canal is 4 centimeter. These are all some anatomical values. And next we can see the pH of various body fluids. pH of blood is 7.35 to 7.45 and the pH of saliva is 5.4 to 7.5. pH of blood 7.35 to 7.45, pH of saliva is 5.4 to 7.5 and the pH of intestinal juice is 7.8 to 8 and the pH of urine 4.5 to 7.8. And the next point, pH of bile, it is 8. And the next point, pH of pancreatic juice is also 8. And the next point, pH of semen, it is 7.4. And the next point, vaginal pH is 3.5 to 5. Next point, we can see adrenaline is otherwise known as epinephrine. So adrenaline is otherwise known as epinephrine or emergency hormone is also adrenaline. And the next point, number of amino acid present in insulin is about 50 amino acids. So insulin contained about 50 amino acids. And the next point, hormone produced by alpha cells of pancreas is glucagon. And the hormone produced by beta cells of pancreas is insulin. Insulin produced by beta cells and Alpha cells produce glucagon and the hormone produced by delta cells of pancreas is somatostatin and the hormone produced by pineal glandin is melatonin. And the next point, blood bank of human body is spleen. So our blood bank of body is spleen. And the next point, the color of spleen is purple color, that is reddish purple color. And the next point, hormone produced by C-cells of thyroid gland is calcitonin. And the next point, largest gland in the body is liver. Liver is the largest gland in the body.